Hi friends, this video shows how to reset all Wi-Fi settings. Go to settings, tap on the settings app icon, then go down, go to general management, tap here, then go down, tap on reset, go down, tap on reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings, tap here, tap on this reset settings button. This reset operation is safe. It will not delete any data from your phone. It will not delete your photos, videos, contacts, anything. It just reset only the Wi-Fi and the Bluetooth settings, that's all. Tap on this reset settings button. See the message Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings reset. Done. After that you can close this. Then again tap on the settings icon. Go to connections. Then turn on Wi-Fi here. Tap here, turn on Wi-Fi. Tap on this Wi-Fi label. Now phone is searching for nearby Wi-Fi networks. From this list select your Wi-Fi network. Let me select home Wi-Fi. Then enter Wi-Fi password. Then tap on connect. Done. This way we can reset all Wi-Fi settings and fix all Wi-Fi problems. Please try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.